the previous class, we have finished up to mode. Now here in this class, we'll start median. So median, what median is, we have all learned from class 7 onwards, 7 then 9. So here we have to find the median by using the formula. So where here in this class, here in this syllabus, a class interval will be given, means a table will be given. From there, we have to find the median, or the median will be given. We have to find out the unknown variable. The variable may be x and y, or maybe f also. So here exercise 14.2 is start directly exercise. So a table is given. See, a table is given. Monthly consumption. Monthly consumption. Consumption is in rupees, na? In units. And then numbers are given. Numbers are given. So the 65 to 85, 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, as 205, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Yes, the frequencies are given. Frequencies are 4, 5, 13, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. So here this table will be given in the exam. So from this given data, we have to find out the median. Now here we have to this number. Numbers are always known as f. So after this one, we have to make another column, that is what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. So this one 4. Now what is cumulative frequency? Means what? 65 to 85, there are 4 strands. Now the next one will be what? 65 to 105. So from 65 to 105, the total numbers are this one and this one. Their summation is 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 13, 22. This one 42. This one 54. 56. Sorry, 56. This one 60. 4, this one 68. Yes. So total numbers is equal to how much? 60, correct or wrong? 4 plus 1, 9, 22, 42, F correct? 42, 42 plus 56, this one 8, yes. And 30, 62, 64, that's 68. So here total number is, here n equal to how much? Here n equal to 68. So now we have to find out the median of this. One question. Yes. Now see, to find the median, what is the formula? Formula will be what? Formula here is n equal to 68. Now n by 2. N by 2 equal to 68 by 2 equal to how much? 34. Now see, 34 is the cumulative frequency. The value of the CF, cumulative frequency is CF. The value of CF may be more than 34, but not less than 34. So find out which one is more than or equal to 34. One, this one, this one. So this value is more than 34, but not less. But this one is less than 34. So we can't take this number. So this will be the median class. Yes, this will be the median class. So now median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L. Now what is L? L means for this interval, this median class, the lower limit. N by 2 is 34. Now what is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency, but the previous one, preceding one, not this one. We will take the previous one CF. And F means the frequency of the median class, and H means the difference of the class interval. Now we have to replace the value from the table and find out what is the answer. L equal to how much? L equal to 125 plus n by 2, 34 minus CF, 22 by F, 20 into H, 20. So 20 cancel, 125 plus 12 equal to 137. So this is the median of this given data. Now come on, next question, 14.3, question number 2. If the median of the distribution is 28.5, okay, question number 2, here median is given, we have to find out the value of x and y. Class interval given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then up to 60, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60. Frequency given is a CI, then F given, then CF. Okay, what is F? 5x20, 5x20, 15y5, 15y5, yes, 5x20, 15y5, and total is given 60. So CF 5 plus x, 25 plus x, 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, then 45 plus x plus y. Got it? Now here what is given? Median given. Median given 28.5. Now see, here these are x and y unknown. Now what to check? This number lies between which class interval? 28.5. 28.5 lies between this interval. So we will consider this class interval as a median class. So now, according to question, median equal 28.5. Before that, total number given 60, and here total is 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. So what is x plus y? X plus y equal to 15, equation number 1. Now median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H equal 28.5. Now what is the L of the median class? 20 plus n by 2. What is n? 60. 60 by 2? 30. Minus CF minus 5 plus x by, what is F? 20. What is H? 10 equal 28.5. 40 plus 30 minus 5 minus x by 2 equal 28.5. So here 70 minus 5, 65. 65 minus x equal 57. So 65 minus 57 equal to x. So what is x? X equal to 8. So x equal to 8. Now if we replace the value of x here, we will get the value of y. So from 1, y equal to 15 minus 8 equal to how? Equal to 7. So this is the solution. Here median given, that is 28.5. So we have to check this number lies in which class interval. 28.5 is lie between 20 to 30. So that will be considered as the median class. So 20 to 30. Again total number given 60, and CF equal to 45 plus x plus y. So 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. From there we got a equation x plus y equal to 15. Then median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Replace the values from the table. We got x equal to 8. Then replace the value of x equal to 8 in equation number 1. We got the value of y, that is 7. So that's all for this class. In the next class, we'll do 2 more questions, then this part will be finished. Then we'll start a new chapter, that is probability, the last chapter. So thank you. Bye.